Hello everyone, this is David the Pass on the David the Pass Show, April 30th, 2013. Yes, I'm here doing last part of the SAT math questions. SAT math questions part number 6. And with my previous videos, probably you heard me talk about the SATs and how it's important to study before you take them. It's just like you study before you take a test. So let's get started. It says here, here's a nice one. This is really nice. Pay attention to this one right here. If y is equal to x plus 1 times x minus 1 over x plus 3 times x minus 4, for which of the following values of x is y not defined? And we have the values of -4, -3, -1, 2, and 3 for A, B, C, D, and E. Notice what the question asks. It says, which of the following values of x is y not defined in this equation over here? So when they say not defined, let's write that down. When they say not defined, you know, when a value or a term is not defined, it's normally its value x, just for example, over 0 is equal to undefined. Let's write that down, undefined. That's what that means. So let's write this equation down one more time for us to remember. So x is equal to x plus 1 times x minus 2 over x plus 3 times x minus 4. Let's take the first value we have here. We have the value that, let's say x is equal to -4 as our number 1. Number A, x is equal to -4. So if x is 4, let's do this. -4, -4 plus 1 times -4 minus -2 over -4 plus 3 times -4 minus -4. -4 plus 1, well, that's -3 times -4 plus -2, that's -6 over -4 plus 3, that's -1. -4 plus -4, well, that's -8. We're going to have 18 over 8. -3 times -6, -1 times -8, that's 18 over 8, or 9 over 4. But is that undefined? No, that is defined. This is a value here, so that's not undefined. Let's try if x was equal to -3. X equal to 4, that can't work. X equal to -3. So -3 plus 1 times -3 minus 2 over -3 plus 3 and -3 minus -4. Alright, let's see. I'm already seeing some values here. -3 plus 1, that's equal to -2 times -3 plus -2, that's equal to -5 over -3 plus 3, that's 0, and -3 plus -4, that's -7. -2 times -5, I'm going to have 10. -7 times -0, that's 0. But wait a minute, this term here is undefined. So it looks like that our value x is equal to -3 makes this equation undefined. Remember what define means. Define means when a value or a term over 0, when 0 is being divided into a term. You could punch that into a calculator, 0 into 10, and you will see that it's an error. Can't work. Let's actually try that out. I'm going to actually try that out on the calculator right here. Turn it on. Let's divide 10 into 0. What do we get? 10 divided into 0. Actually, that E stands for error, which means it doesn't really work. It's undefined in this case. So it looks like we have our answer here will be x will be equal to -3. Let's get that over here. So one more time. If y is equal to x plus 1 times x minus 2 and over x plus 3 times x minus 4, which are the following values of x, is y not defined, it will be b. X will be equal to -3. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of SAT math questions. I'll be doing another series, another math parts, maybe math, whatever you guys want. Hit me up on this, like if you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back. Stay tuned for more.